Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hello everyone, this is Sam Mowers here. Welcome to episode 775 of the Crypto Corner podcast. For news today, MasterCard is expanding its consulting with crypto practices. HIVE has reported record quarterly earnings, and EBON has officially launched its Australian crypto exchange. Just before we get into the show, though, a quick reminder that if you enjoy this podcast, to please feel free to share it or leave us a review. And as always, I recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com. This includes the Cannabis Podcast, the Clean Tech and Climate Change Podcast, as well as many others, all of which will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. Alright, so MasterCard, which trades on the NYSE under the ticker MA, has announced an expansion of its preeminent payments-focused consulting service with new practices dedicated to open banking, open data, crypto and digital currencies, and environment, social, and governance, or ESG. According to the press release, the company's consulting efforts with banks and merchants cover a range of digital currency capabilities, from early-stage education, risk assessments, and bank-wide crypto and NFT strategy development to crypto cards and the design of crypto loyalty programs. Raj Seshadri, the president of Data and Services at MasterCard, said, quote, "Payments are just the beginning. Over the past 20 years, we've worked with our customers across banking, fintech, retail, travel, and other sectors, helping them understand and navigate every challenge and opportunity thrown their way. This evolution of consulting is in recognition of the changing world and of our changing business. It's about helping customers navigate today's challenges and anticipating what's next." End quote. HIVE Blockchain Technologies Limited, which trades on the Nasdaq as HIVE, has announced a record earnings report for the third quarter, ended December 31st, 2021. Some highlights include a quarterly revenue of $68.2 million, an increase of 30% from the previous quarter, and a net income of $64.2 million, up 7% from the prior quarter. Darcy Daubaras, that's HIVE's CFO, explains, quote, "A year ago we made the conscious decision not to sell our mined cryptocurrency or undertake an expensive financing when brokers were offering capital at 20% discounts or encouraging us to borrow against our Bitcoin and Ether assets at a 12% cost of capital in the scramble by crypto mining companies to purchase more ASIC chips. HIVE's modest equity fundings were done at prevailing market prices or premiums to the stock price, and this has helped us generate the highest robust returns on invested capital relative to our peers." End quote. EBON International Holdings Inc., which trades on the Nasdaq as EBON, has today officially launched EBONX Exchange, the company's cryptocurrency exchange in Australia. EBON's chairman and CEO Dong Hu commented, quote, "We believe that the mature business environment and rigorous regulatory regime in Australia will have a great positive impact on EBONX Exchange's prospects. We expect that the cryptocurrency space is poised for significant growth as the market for trusted platforms has grown significantly during the last year. Our objective is to have the EBONX Exchange become one of the premier markets in the cryptocurrency space and to become a trusted platform for cryptocurrency participants worldwide. The launch of EBONX Exchange has opened up a whole new market for the fintech industry and is yet another critical milestone in the company's strategic development." End quote. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website. And this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss of investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Apple Podcasts, Audible, Spotify, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio, Google Podcasts, and most audio platforms available.